No affiliate marketing, no skills required, no camera needed to earn money with this strategy. In this tutorial, I will show you 6 different websites that you can use to make money online without using a single social media platform. If you want to know how to make $200 per image you upload, stay tuned. But before we go further, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's now jump straight into the video itself. Okay, so today, like I said, we have 6 websites to cover. Now the first 3 I will show you are the sites that will get you paid, while the other 3 will do most of the actual work for you for completely free. So you have to keep watching, so you don't miss any of them. Without any further ado, the first site I will be showing you is called logomyway.com. As the name suggests, this is a website where various companies from all over the globe come to get a logo design done for them. As you can see, get a logo design, you'll love guaranteed. And just below that, it says, start a logo contest now and receive dozens of creative logo concepts within hours. So there you have some info on how this actually works. Companies that come on here will ask for a logo design, and this site's designers will give them literally dozens of options to choose from. And the person who made the design that was chosen by the said company will get paid. It's as simple as that. Now I know exactly what some of you will be thinking. If you don't have any design skills, how will you do this? But as I said, I have 3 websites that will literally do most of the work for you. So you won't require any design skills in the first place in order to get paid. Anyways, here it says, choose from 70 to 600 plus custom logo designs from professional and creative logo designers from all over the world. So they will give companies upwards of 100 designs to choose from. But that's not as important for us, as is the last part of what it just said. This is available all over the world, guys. As you can see, there may be a few exceptions, but generally speaking, this site will be available in your country. Near the bottom of the page, you will see some of the logo designs that have been displayed on here, which all look absolutely awesome. But what you have to do is scroll past them to the actual bottom of the page and click on Logo Designers Make Money in order to get started with this. On this page, you will enter in some of your basic information and create an account. Just before we move on to the second website, I want to show you something, which is the fact that contest prizes are anywhere from $200 up to $1,000. So while it is a bit of a flaw of this site that you have quite a bit of competition, but keep in mind that just one customer picking your design could result in hundreds of dollars at the very least. So it's a big amount of money for sure. Let's move on to the second site, and it's called 99designs.com. This is yet another designer website, but it offers both customers and designers alike far more options. If you click on categories here, you will see what I'm talking about. It's not just a logo design site, but you got web design, business and advertising, clothing and merchandise, art, and so on. There are a lot more options on here. To get started with this, just come back to their homepage, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Become a Designer, right here. And from there, just create your account, and you're good to go. The final site that will be paying us today is called designcrowd.com. This is arguably the best of the 3 websites. So you will have some options to choose from. Anyhow, Design Crowd offers its customers far more categories than any of the previous 2 sites. This in turn means it offers far more opportunity to get paid. So you won't be just doing logo designs. If you hover your mouse over categories here, you'll see what I mean. You have logo design, business card design, web design, WordPress design, landing page design. These are only just a handful of the categories you have on this website. And it gets even better from there. If you hover your mouse over designers and click on logo designers, you will see how much people have made with this website. And it's a lot of money. We are literally talking 6 figures. And it's not just the money, but the fact that these people are from all over the globe. This person made $280,000. This person from the US made $275,000. We have this person from India, who made $250,000. This guy is from the Philippines, a few people from India as well. I mean, these are all countries from different continents located on different parts of our planet. So, if there's something certain about this site is that it will work no matter where you're coming from, whether it's Europe, North or South America, Asia, and South. It will most likely be available in your country. In order to get started with this website, all you have to do is click on register right here. And when you type in your info, click on I'm a designer. And that's it. Okay, so there are 3 sites that will get you paid. The first site that can do the hard work for you. It's none other than canva.com. And Canva is for those of you who don't want to just design logos, because when you hover your mouse over templates, you'll see you have a lot of templates, that design crowd, and 99 designs head as well. For example, website design. Now, to get started with Canva, you just need to create an account first. You will do that just by clicking sign up in the upper right corner. And then log in, and you can get started. The last site I will be showing you today, that will do most of the work for you, is called picmonkey.com. This site is arguably the best of the 3 as far as design is concerned. Now, the thing with this website is that it's free, but there is a 7-day free trial. And so in that time, you can try to make a bit of money using it. And then reinvest that money back into the website. Simply because it doesn't cost a lot to do so. Just like Canva, this site also has many different templates for you to choose from. So using it for designing stuff on Design Crowd is a perfect idea. In any case, see which of the sites I showed you fits you the best, or perhaps use all of them. Either way, you'll be able to make a very decent amount of money. And thanks to the tools I showed you, as you've seen, you don't require any design skills or knowledge at all. Well, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, found it helpful, or if you are enjoying my content in general, then be sure to tap the like button below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss any future videos, just like this one, then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. As always, I'm grateful for you staying until the end, and I'll see you soon in the next video.